The HEXEUM 130EQ Reflector Telescope boasts a focal length of 650 millimeters and a 130 millimeter aperture, ensuring bright and clear images with its fully coated optical lens. This telescope includes two high-quality eyepieces, providing magnifications of 26 times and 100 times, with a 2 times Barlow lens that can enhance magnification up to 52 or 200 times. Equipped with an equatorial mount and 3 slow-motion knobs, this telescope allows for smooth and precise tracking of celestial bodies, making manual tracking of the moon and planets an enjoyable experience. The HEXEUM 130EQ is bundled with multiple accessories, including a phone adapter and wireless remote control, making it convenient to capture stunning images and share them effortlessly. The telescope's carbon fiber-covered exterior adds a sophisticated touch, while its lightweight design ensures portability. Customer satisfaction is prioritized with lifetime maintenance support, and the manufacturer's commitment to resolving queries within 24 hours ensures reliable service.